is the most powerful tool that God has created. But what happens when the same love can cause heartache for us? Hello ladies, welcoming all to manifestingdreamadc.com. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to get your husband back using law of attraction, or how to get your husband back from a third party or from another woman. So are you guys excited? I'm sure you are. If yes, drop a comment in the comment box as ready. So without wasting any time, let's dive in. Before that, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to my channel because it just motivates me to put the new videos for you guys. And also, if you are someone new, please consider in subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon for new video notification. So, the number one thing that can bring your husband back is by having the faith. As I have already told you that the faith is the powerful tool in the manifestation process. You have to have the complete faith that he is going to come back to me. Let's forget the truth that he is texting to another girl. Let's forget the truth that he is having a date with another woman. Just forget every truth that you are seeing currently in front of you right now. Just become in your imagination. Whatever you wanted to hear, you listen to that. Whatever you want to see, you see that. Whatever you don't want to see, you just neglect that. Our motive is to bring our husband back from that another woman, or our motive is to bring our husband back. So in order to do that, we must have the complete faith that we will bring it. When we are having the complete faith that we are able to do that, then I'm sure that definitely you can do anything that you want, whether it is manifesting your husband back, whether it is manifesting a soulmate, whether it is manifesting a car or an apartment, or anything is possible, because what you think is what you become. If you think positive, then the positivity arises or emerges in you, within you. If you think negative, then the negativity emerges within you. So which one you want? Always positivity, right? So what you have to do is you have to have the complete faith that your husband is coming back to you. When you're having the faith, then I'm sure that he is going to come back to you, because this is the basic structure of our manifestation process. Because without the faith or the trust, no manifestation process is going to work. The step number 2 is nothing but changing your perception about a problem. Now our problem is what we are focusing on to bring our husband back from another woman. What you have to think that you have to consider this big problem as a smaller problem. You have to think that it's just a matter of fact that he is into another woman. I'm pretty much sure that he will definitely come back to me. This is obvious that he will come back to me. This is how you change the problem. You should not think that this is the biggest problem. When you think something, or when you give more importance to something, you are not going to get it. You have to reduce its importance. When you reduce something's importance, definitely it is going to come back to you. And this is on how to change the perception about the problem. This is how you're going to do it. How you're going to do? You are going to reduce its importance. When you're reducing its importance, then definitely you are going to get it. Okay, now you understood? Now, the third method is by practicing the affirmations. What does this affirmation does? The affirmations are nothing but the repetitive statements that allows our mind to affirm. Whatever we are manifesting currently now. Our task, or what we are manifesting currently now, is to bring our husband back. When we are manifesting to bring our husband back, sometimes sometimes, not sometimes, most of the times for every ladies we will be having a very much a heartache like whether this is going to work, because that particular thing that we are manifesting is so close to our heart, right? So almost for each and every one, this a second thought will arise in our mind. So for that reason, in order to eliminate that fear, we are doing this affirmations. By practicing this affirmation, it affirms our mind that no, nothing bad is going to happen, everything good is going to happen to you, and you are going to win over your husband, you are going to get your spouse back. Like this, you are having an affirmation for you. Okay, you are going to make this affirmation. So how to make an affirmation? The affirmations can be short and it should be precise and clear. Why I'm asking these affirmations to be short means because this is something that we need to say each and every time in the morning as well as during when we are going to sleep. Okay, so this affirmations, if it is so long, it will be very difficult for us to say. Okay, so and if you are someone lazy, we won't be doing it also. So what I'm requesting you to do is you have to find that affirmation that suits you. For example, you can make like this: I'm so happy and grateful that me and my husband are having a great time right now. I'm so happy and grateful that me and my husband are wonderful together. I'm so happy and grateful that we both are back together. Like this, you can make anything that you want, but it should be precise, clear and short. And you must say this. When you're saying this affirmation, as I have already told you in the beginning of this video, you have to have the complete faith. And the second thing that you need to do is you should not doubt on this process. When you're having the faith, I'm sure that the doubt will not be coming into your mind. Okay, so by using this affirmation, you can affirm in your mind. Okay, so I know this, that I believe that any marriage can be saved and any person can be rescued from this pain. So I know how important your marriage is for you guys. If your marriage is not that important for you, then definitely you won't be clicking into this video, right? So your marriage is very precious for you. When your marriage is very precious for you, it's your duty to eradicate what kind of thought? The negative thought, so the negative vibration. This, if we are thinking about the negative vibration, what happens is our husband gets detached from us each and every second when we think the negative thought. So what we have to do in order to make him closer towards us, we have to become the positive energy. We have to become an energy of positivity, and in order to increase this energy of positivity in us, I am asking you to practice this affirmation. So now understood what you have to do. The first method is you need to have the complete faith. The second method is by changing the perception about the problem. The third method is to have the affirmation, and the fourth method is, what will be the fourth method? Do you know what is the fourth method? Be the best version of you. All these years, you were so loyal to your husband. I can understand that. But can I ask you something? Are you loyal to yourself? Are you looking after your health? Are you looking after what you're having? Are you concentrating on your diet? Have you ever looked into the mirror of yourself? Are you grooming yourself? Definitely wrong, right? You have been always thinking about the problem that you're having right now, but you're not focusing on yourself. And this, when you're focusing on your problems, then only the problems will knock you. Now it's time to change. Now it's time to focus on yourself. What you can do is, you can go hang out with your friends. You can hang out with your family members. You can groom yourself. You can take the new dresses or the new outfits that you want. You can learn driving. You can learn anything that you want, that you have kept, that you have left aside before your marriage. Concentrate on that. Become a image that he wants to come back to you. Become an image of that version which he want to come back to you, then I'm sure that he will be coming back to you, because if you don't give importance to yourself, then who is going to give importance to you? So is the most difficult technique in the manifestation process. I know that. So this is our fourth method. For example, a lot of times this might have happened to you that you're continuously thinking about person and lot of negative thoughts will knock your mind. So in this method, I'm not asking you to detach from that person. I am asking you to detach from those negative thoughts that knock your mind. So when you are in a mission to get your husband back, all you need is to focus on the positive side of the person. Become busy in yourself. Do whatever that makes you feel happy. If you are a person who is studying, you can study. If you are someone who loves to gardening, you can do that. If you are someone who loves swimming, you can do that. Do anything that makes you feel happy as well as busy. Because when we become these two both, that is happiness plus busy, we just forget our current reality of the problem that we are having. So only what is there, the abundance is there, or the prosperity is there, or the positive thinking is there. I'm sure that by using these 5 methods, you can definitely get your spouse back or get your husband back. Till then, take care, stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.